Welcome back. I'm Leanna Lane. This is night 7 of your 28-night nervous system reset, the final night of your first week. Tonight, we reach the edge of the woods and find ourselves at the river's edge. This is a place of transition. A place where we learn the art of being a witness rather than a participant in our own mental noise. By the end of this session, you will understand how to watch your thoughts float by without touching them, letting the current carry away what no longer serves you. If you've journeyed with us through this entire first week, feel the pride of that commitment. Your nervous system is already beginning to rewire for peace. For now, simply rest here with me. There is no need to engage with the world. Let the room around you soften and fade. Inhale deeply, feeling the air expand your ribs like a sail. Hold it for a moment of stillness. And exhale, releasing a long, cooling breath. Imagine you have reached the clearing where the forest meets the water. Before you lies a wide, slow-moving river. The water is dark and glassy, reflecting the silver light of a high moon. Find a smooth, flat stone at the water's edge and sit down. Listen. The sound of the water is a constant, low hum. It is the sound of time moving, of life flowing, of things being let go. Breathe in the cool, damp mist from the water. Breathe out, feeling your sit bones and your back settle into the earth. Tonight, your thoughts are not you. They are simply objects on the water. Visualize a thought, perhaps a worry about tomorrow, or a memory from today. See it as a fallen leaf landing softly on the surface of the river. Take a deep, intentional breath in. Observing that leaf. And as you exhale, watch the current catch it. Watch it drift away, further and further, until it disappears around the bend. Whisper to yourself, I am just the riverbank. I am not the river. You are the steady ground. You are the observer. Another thought appears. Don't try to stop it. Just acknowledge it. There is a thought. Inhale the moonlight. Exhale and let that thought leaf float downstream. Whisper to yourself, I do not need to hold on. I am allowed to let go. Your nervous system is learning that thoughts are not threats. They are just ripples. Feel your heart rate sinking with the slow rhythmic lap of the water against the shore. Slowly breathe in the vast open space. Exhale and release the tension in your shoulders. The water is deep enough to carry everything you give it. It is tireless. It asks nothing of you but your presence. Take a long cleansing breath in and let it out like the mist rising off the stream. Let this affirmation settle. I am the stillness that watches the movement. Imagine you lie back now on the soft, cool sand of the bank. The river continues its work, pulling the day's debris away from you. You are becoming lighter with every passing minute. The heavy doing is being washed away by the being. Inhale the clarity of the water. Exhale and feel your limbs becoming heavy, sinking into the river's edge. Remind your heart, my mind is a clear sky. My thoughts are just clouds passing through. Imagine a soft blue light glowing from the river. It washes over your feet. It flows up through your hips. Through your chest. Through your brow. Smoothing out every worry like water over a stone. Breathe into your belly, feeling the tide of your own breath. Rising and falling. You are detached. You are at peace. You are free. Listen to the water as it carries you toward sleep. Each ripple is a reminder that you are safe to let the world move without your intervention. You have done enough this week. Now you simply flow. Breathe in the cool night mist. Breathe out and let your consciousness drift like a boat with no oars. Notice your forehead. Let it become as smooth as the river's surface. Inhale the peace of the moving water. Exhale and let your body feel as ancient and still as the riverbed. If a thought returns, don't be frustrated. Just place it on a leaf and watch it go. You are the witness. You are the stillness. My sleep is a deep, quiet pool. I sink into it now. You are drifting away from the shore of wakefulness. The water is gentle. It is rocking you into the depths of a restorative night. Your nervous system is washed clean. Your heart is open. Your mind is a mirror of the stars. The river will keep flowing while you rest. We have completed our first week together. Rhea and I will be here to guide you into week 2 tomorrow. But for now, there is only the water. Only the moonlight. Only the drift. One last deep breath in. Feeling the weightlessness. And release into the current. Sleep now at the river's edge. Into the dream.